Hi guys, welcome to another video of our video series which is called as the Financial Peanuts. In this video, we are going to talk about something which is basically an income tax basics, and what we're going to talk about is indexation. So basically what we're going to talk is what is indexation क्या होता है, how does it work, and we're going to also show you an example for that. Indexation is basically a method which is used to adjust the amount on which you pay tax. So basically the final tax which you pay is less. How? We'll see. But first we need to know that why was indexation introduced. So indexation was introduced because inflation causes a decrease in the value of an asset, or basically inflation erodes the value of an asset. So that is why जिस भाव पे आपने कुछ खरीदा है और जिस भाव पे आपने बेचा है, minus that you cannot be taxed on that, in simple words. And what is inflation? Inflation is basically that how things become costly as time goes on and on. For example, what you could buy with a 50 rupee note, after 5 years you cannot buy that same amount of things with that 50 rupee note. You will have to buy it for say at least 150 to 200. It will cost you around 100 to 200 rupees, for example. Also, taxable capital gain is basically not equal to the cost price minus sale price if you sell the asset after 1 year. Most of you think that the taxable capital gain is कि जो भाव पे हमने उस चीज़ को बेचा माइनस जिस भाव पे हमने उसको खरीदा. So how do you calculate actual taxable gain? It is done with the help of something called as a CII, which is basically cost inflation index. This is given on the website of the income tax of India. So you can go online, www.incometax.com. You can go and see online, and you will find a list of all these for every year, particular year. For example, the year say 2003 to 4, 2005 to 6, and so on. Now, how do you see that on what amount will you be finally taxed? So for that you need to know a few things. For example, कि in which year have you bought the asset? कौन से साल में उसको खरीदा और कौन से साल में उसको बेचा? The year of sale. For example, if you bought it at 2001 to 2002 and you sold it in the year 2009 to 2010, so you have to go online, go to that website which is the IT website, and you have to find out what is the cost inflation index for the year 2001 to 2002. Here it's 100, and the cost inflation index for the year 2009 to 2010. Here it's 148. You find that the CII for the sale price, at which the price which you sold, upon the CII for the purchase price, the price which you bought is equal to 1.48. So we need to note this. ये जो हमने निकाला है ये आपको याद रखना है रेशियो कि ये रेशियो इज 1.48. Now some more facts, some more things which you need to know is that asset purchased at what cost. For here we have actually bought the thing at for say 1 lakh rupees, and we have sold it at 2 lakhs rupees, say around 2 lakh of rupees. So it's not that simple that 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, which is equal to 1 lakh, you will be taxed on 1 lakh. No. What you will be taxed on, we'll see next. So for that you need to find out the indexed price. If you look at the last slide, we have found out something called as the CII for the sale price upon CII for the purchase price. What you need to do is just multiply that by the cost at which you bought the asset. Here it's 1 lakh. So the indexed price turns out to be 1.48 lakhs. Now, the last thing which you need to know is that what is the thing which you, for example, what is the sale price minus the index price? Now this will basically give you the actual cap gain which is taxable. Here it is 2 lakhs minus 1.4 lakhs, which is equal to 52,000. So as you can see that the amount at which you were supposed to be taxed has become half of what you were thinking it to be, and that is with the help of indexation. So basically, let's keep things short. The take-home peanut in this video is that the taxable gain is not equal to the sale price minus the purchase price, as what most people think. And indexation is a method that considerably helps you lower the final tax on which you pay capital gains. So if you like our video and if you want us to come up with more such videos, press the like button and also subscribe to us. Thank you.